Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Sunday reset. So I'm going to be taking you guys along the day with me. I love doing these every single Sunday. It's just going to get me ready for the week and let me know exactly what I have to do and what I need to like focus on for the week, because I know with my head sometimes I want to like focus on every single thing and it's just not going to work because it kind of get you wild up a little bit. So I like to have like a to-do list of everything I need to do, and also like to do a bit of cleaning around my room, bathroom, and do some grocery shopping. I am dressed and ready to go to the gym at the moment. So what I'm gonna be doing is I need to just write like my grocery shopping list, because I kind of wait at a certain time just so when I'm finished at the gym the grocery shop is like open, only because normally I go to the gym quite early and then I have to come back and then go to the grocery store when it's open at around 11. So I tried to do it a little bit different today, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna write down a few things that I need for the week. I'm also thinking to do some meal prep just so I don't have to cook like each day, because what I've been doing is I'll cook for a few days and then after that I'll cook again in the week. So I'm gonna see if I can prepare some meals for as much days as I can throughout the week. So that's the plan. Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. So I'm done writing my grocery list. There's a list of things that I want to pick up. I think I kind of figured out what I want to eat this week as well. So once I do my grocery shopping, I'm gonna just show you guys exactly what I picked up. So now that I'm done, it's now time for me to just go to the gym and do like a really quick workout. Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's how these summer do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. I'm back from my workout and also from the grocery store as well. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, groceries becoming a bit pricey. I think grocery come up to like 40 something pounds. I don't think you guys can see me, it's a bit dark, isn't it? Because the light is here. Let's see if I can. Yeah, so my grocery come up to a bit more than I used to pay. But anyways, we gotta eat. I'm gonna show you guys quickly what I picked up. So I got majority of the stuff that was on my to-do list. The only thing I didn't really get was the mangoes. I was really craving some mangoes, but the mangoes that they have, it was quite pricey for a little thing of mango that you get, and then the other ones that they have, the unpeeled ones, they just weren't ripe enough. So I was like, okay, let me just leave it, because I don't want to buy like green mango. I wanted something to eat now. I picked up some eggs. It's a bad angle, but that's where the light is, guys. Some bananas, protein, snack bars so I can eat those in the morning. I just pick up like this rice so I can have it for lunch. Some mincemeat. I just pick up some vanilla latte because honestly yesterday I was so tired from the gym and I had to like take a nap because I couldn't stay awake. So I'm gonna have some of this today so I can at least go through my day. And I picked up some chicken breasts. These protein yogurt, they're so good. They're from Alpro. I really love them. I started having these like the other day. I discovered it and I'm like, this is yummy. And then I picked up some bolognese sauce. So we're gonna do bolognese this week. I picked up some prawns. avocado, tomatoes, some salmon, so I can do salmon bagel avocado for breakfast. I just picked up some noodles. I love having these with like loads of egg in there, like boiled eggs. I think it's like really good. So for days when I just can't be out, I'll just do like a noodle, put like egg in there, and it's really nice. Picked up like a honey to put in my porridge, some salad. I picked up like just the Nando sauce so I can put on my chicken and sauce. And then I pick up some, just this. Breakfast is served. I'm just having like eggs, bagels, and avocado with some salad, and I'm having like a vanilla latte from that sachet that I had. So I'm done eating breakfast, and now I just need to clean up the kitchen a little bit, and then I just need to clean my room and stuff, clean the bathroom. I don't really have much cleaning in my room to do because I cleaned that up a little bit yesterday. Finished cleaning up the kitchen a little bit. Well, for the most part I think it's done. There's nothing much needed to do in there. I cleaned it the other day. I just need to write down like a to-do list of things that I need to do today, just so I'm like staying on track and I'm not really doing a bit too much than I need to do. This is my notebook. I pretty much write majority of what I need to write in there. I got this one from TK Maxx. Really love it because it have like these blank pages, which I really do like. My to-do list finished for today. So I have all the things that I need to do here, which is not that much, and I can really get through this before evening time. 7 o'clock in the morning, all I want you to do is get on top of me, with me, because I'm all up on you. Just to kind of like clean it a little bit. I try to clean the bathroom at least once a week. Maybe that's too much, I don't know, but I clean it once a week, especially like the face basin and stuff, because the water here is like hard water, and if you don't really wipe it off properly, then it leaves like white all over the place. So I tend to like clean it at least once a week, and then if I don't clean it that week, then of course the following week. So I'm gonna clean this bathroom. It's really not that dirty, to be fair, so I'm gonna do like a really light clean. Throughout the week as well, like daily, I'll say, I tend to use this on the glass. So whenever I'm finished showering, I will just use this, I don't know what it's called, squeaky tool. I don't know. I can't remember what this is called. So I'll use this and I'll just take the water off like the glass and off the wall, so it doesn't really leave it like leaving white. You guys can see it's still pretty like clear. And then the wall as well, it doesn't really have like any white on it because I use this. Otherwise, if I don't use this and you just leave the water to dry on the wall, you're just gonna see like pure white dots on the wall because of the hard water. So I tend to just use this one just keep the bathroom nice and fresh. I use this bathroom cleaner. Basically just spray it on like the face basin in the shower and let it stay for like a little while, and then I'll rinse it off. It says no need to rinse, so I like to still just scrub it and then rinse it off. All upon it, early in the morning. You deserve a man who will do it how you want it. All upon it, early in the morning. You deserve a man who will do it how you want it. I need you, blaze if you feel me, throw your hands. This is 7 o'clock. I'm not gonna lie, Sunday resets can be a little bit tiring. Just finished cleaning my bathroom. Let me show you guys. It's nice and clean. Feeling so refreshed in here. Absolutely love it. I'm going to just relax a little bit in between. So what I'm gonna do is basically run myself a bath, do like a nice face mask. I need to close my window because I opened it to get some fresh air in. Let me just close it so I can. And that's the washing machine. I'm washing my bathroom mat, so that's the machine done. And I need to be careful with this candle because it's getting like black smoke, so I need to like cut out the top bit off of that. What I was gonna say is I just need to revisit. Oh, this machine is so annoying. Put on like a face mask. I can literally feel the face mask like tingly a little bit. Really around like this side here. I really love this face mask. It's the one from Kiehl's. It's kind of like their clay mask, I think. On my bath, it smells so good. I'm using this bath gel that says sleep aromatherapy. I'm not trying to sleep, but you know what, we're trying to relax. This never really made me sleep anyway. I think it's just the name or whatever they use in it. I think it has like lavender or something in it. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to relax a little bit and I'm going to be reading this book. I've been reading this book for a while now. It's such a slow burner. I read like a book before, and because it was like so exciting, it gripped me from the beginning, and I literally read it in like a couple of days. This one has been taking me a while. It's a slow burner, but I really want to finish it. I only have like just that much left around this side, so I really want to finish it this week so I can move on to like our next book, because I'm kind of like get to the point now, like what happened, like what really happened, like let me know with that book. So yeah, trying to like get through it. So I'm finished showering and I also did like my skincare routine. I need to do like a few stuff on my laptop because I have a video going up today. I just need to quickly complete the last few touches, and then I also need to edit some photos and videos for Instagram and TikTok for the week. So I'm gonna see if I can just run through that in the next say hour, one and a half. Shouldn't take me that long. It's just the time that I give myself. basically finished now editing my content for the week for TikTok and for Instagram. And sometimes, like throughout the week, I'll have ideas. I'll just edit on my way, maybe to work or when I'm coming home or during lunch break. Then I'll do some editing. If anything like pops in my mind, I'll say, oh, that's a good idea. I can edit that. But for the most part, the ones that I have now are finished are done being edited. So I'm just here chilling a little bit. I need to get up and make my dinner. I had some lunch earlier. I just had like a tuna sandwich because I was getting really hungry, so I had something to eat. So I'm basically finished cooking dinner. I'm going to eat and relax for the rest of the day, and I also need to wash my face and do like my nighttime skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching this Sunday reset. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave down in the comment section below which video you'd like to see from myself, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Bye.